Guys, we are back. Honey hole scrapping. Most of the time they just put plastic in here, but I do like to check because sometimes I've found metal. But they're not supposed to put any metal in here, and it looks like they're doing a good job of it. No metal. That's good. For them, not good for me. Plastic, plastic. That's what they're supposed to be doing. See, they used to put their metal in here too, and it cost them money to have it hauled away. So I told them if they quit putting their metal in there and just leave it around back, I'll pick up the metal and they can just get rid of the plastic. Save us some money for them and make me some money. Waiting on left-handed Paul. He should be here any minute. I can't even believe it. It is Friday already. Thank everybody for your comments. I love reading the comments. I love responding to the comments. So if you leave one, I'll probably be hitting you up and make sure that I comment back to you. So keep the comments coming. It is Friday. Not sure what that means exactly. Let's pick up some scrap metal. Oh, there ain't nothing in there, Paul. Bunch of plastic. Huh? Bunch of plastic like it's supposed to be.
Yeah, right. That's a good thing.
Yeah, there's a lot of plastic in there, but it's gonna be tight unless they move something.
Right there?
Huh? I have to back in all the way, you know. It's a little difficult backing through that hole.
Yeah. You can do it.
I know, I've done it before, but I ain't got no way. Well, I guess I can get in there to the right of that truck and get it back around. Look at that. Scrap metal. Thing must have rolled over. I mean, I can't get to start a new row. I don't know. Whatever. Huh? Where's the magnet? Right there. That might be aluminum right there. Yep.
Dodge. That one Dodge, probably number 2.
This one here?
No. No, that's
No, I mean to go up there. I mean, doors and fenders, it's hard to get them. They're underneath. Huh?
Give me a penny. I'll get too many doors in there today.
Nope. Amazing how heavy a door is. Morning, Charlie. How you doing, brother?
Doing all right?
Beautiful day. Yeah. Beautiful day. Yeah, so. How's that tractor? You like that tractor still?
Yeah, oh yeah.
How much you say you paid for it?
Close to 30 acre got on.
30. Good Lord, 30. 30. Wow. That's big money. 30,000. I got you. You didn't. I'm hoping to get something for about half that price. Huh?
Well, I wanted one about half that.
It's hard to tell plastic from aluminum. Is that plastic?
That's right, Brad. How thick is it? You can tell about thick.
Pretty thin. Yeah.
All we do is passing size.
Are they?
Yeah.
Damn it. That's funny. I don't want to be the passenger. That's for sure. Do not want to be the passenger. Pretty sure. Pretty sure it's heavy. Oh yeah. I like to do these last. Yeah, I hate to pick it up, put it back down. It's heavy. That's a beast right there.
Oh, you can't have two?
Oh yeah.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
You have to go with the camera on? Play.
Yeah.
He's already.
There's definitely work to be done to it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can't even get it to move in.
No, no, no.
I'm going to do it for James. I'm going to buy it for James, and James said that's too much work.
All right side door.
Oh, left side, you said.
Right side.
Right side doors.
Yeah, passenger side.
Yeah, passenger. That's what I meant. That's what I meant. Yeah, passenger, not left.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
That's right.
Yeah. That's because they don't pay attention so much to the passenger side. As long as it's not their side, they roll out. No, yeah. All day.
Bed?
Huh?
8-foot bed?
Yeah. Long one. Big old bed. That's a big hole. Yeah, I know. Oh yeah. Huh?
Yeah, they come off with
I don't know.
look like a Dodge truck.
Brand new though.
Yeah, look like a Dodge truck. That's in it.
Yeah.
That's the money for it, that you?
Yeah.
8 foot. Nice little bucket.
Bondo, I smell it. I smell it.
Mondo. running boards. Got 2 of them.
What is it?
That one right there.
Yeah.
And that one over there.
Oh, running. Yeah, that's not a running board.
Yeah, the running board.
No, it's a rack. Isn't it?
Nah, the running board.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's the size of the thing right here.
Really? Huh. Right, right. What? Right. Left-handed doors?
Yeah, 2 left-handed doors. 15.
15. It is. Aluminum. Good Lord. 50 pounds.
Yeah.
All by itself.
Yeah, hold on. That's fun in a vehicle.
Huh? I gotta take a minute. I have to ask Curtis if he wants to get rid of them. It might be the other two tires I need. Yeah. Yep. Order them, got 2, only needed 1. Yo. Huh?
Look how thin they miss.
Man. Tie rod?
Yeah. Thin, dude.
Yep, that's thin. I seen a car yesterday sitting on the side of the road by 50 Lake. The tie rod broke.
Yep.
Both tires was pointing out.
Get down there.
Yeah. One was hard left, it broke right off.
Yeah. So what is that down?
What, buddy?
Job.
Huh?
Sister job.
Oh, a door and a little small floor repair.
Right there in front of the door.
Yeah.
What kind of door? Mobile home door?
No, it's a house.
Out?
Cool. I got to get a price on a door today. I got to look in Lowe's and see what they're running. I don't do mobile home doors, Paul. I'm done with that.
Yeah.
For anybody.
Pain ass.
I don't do them. Yeah, pain. Mobile home settle. That's gonna have to be folded in half, Paul. It's gonna be wagging like a crazy. Should have did it before you put it in there. There you go, lift it back up. Get your fingers out of there, Paul. Fingers out of there, Paul. I threw a lot of trash out this time. I don't usually do all that. All right, guys, let's tie this thing off. Go to the scrapyard with it today. Today. Gotta go, got to go. Tying it off, guys, tying it off. Getting out of here. We are loaded up and trucking. 45 minutes. Not bad. I backed into this hole, guys. I can back up just about anywhere. I literally backed to my trailer. Uh-oh. We ain't got enough room to get by there now. Back to my trailer through this hole. And it ain't much of a hole. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get out. It's gonna be tight if I do. I don't know. Grandpa, make it happen. You can do it. Yes, sir, I did it. I did it. All right, Paul said let's go get some breakfast, so let's go get some breakfast. We made it, safe and sound, Southern Metal Recycling, Wilmington, North Carolina. Scrapping with Grandpa. Thank you, Lord. I always feel blessed when I make it here. Safe, no accidents, no police. Let's get this thing unwrapped inside. See what we made. All right. Coming out. Here we go. Uh-oh. Got a different guy on here today. Look at that. Scrap metal heaven. Fenders, bumpers, doors, you name it. You name it. Yes, sir. About heavy steel, heavy steel. Some of that stuff's probably considered heavy. Beautiful, beautiful. Should be a pretty good load, to be honest with you. We loaded it up pretty heavy. At least it felt like it was heavy. It's a beautiful day. Scrapping with Grandpa. Thank you everybody for your comments, by the way. I love answering them. Look at that. Goodness, everywhere. Look at that. Paul stacked it in there for me. Old left-handed Paul. He's a good stacker. He's a good stacker. Goodness everywhere. I love it. So Paul had things to do today, so he did help me load this up. We got there about 7:45. Heck, 45 minutes later we were pulling out of there. I gave old boy 40 bucks for helping me, just to show my appreciation. Sent him on his way, and he was happy and I was happy. 40 bucks for 45 minutes, that's not too bad, old boy. He didn't have a problem with that. And he had to be up anyway, so worked for me, worked for him. I got some non-ferrous in the back we're going to turn in that we picked up from the same place. That pile's a pretty good size. Look at the size of that pile, my God. Pretty good size pile. Sir, Grandpa is blessed. He's almost got it. One more scoop. All right, I'll get the rest. About the size of it. All right, guys, we are out of here. Made quick work out of that. All right, so that was my load. Got more Grandpa. We got about a 2-minute video. Oh man, if I had them lawnmowers, I would tear all them motors off. They're busy in here today, by God. Rock and roll. All right, guys, let's go see what we got for weight in this thing. I'll be right back. All right, he's gonna grab a hopper for these few little hoods, although it ain't that much really. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's about all it is. 3. Oh no. Yeah, buddy. He's down there
with Grandpa. He's like, oh man, that's just they do. I've never heard no shit like that. These are all dirty or clean?
They're all dirty. Yeah, that's stainless. Yeah, dirty. Yeah, dirty. Is this extrusion in it? Dirty extrusion? Alright.
Yes, sir. Gotta be dirty.
It's the only piece I got of that. $7 pounds. 7 pounds. Dirty extrusion. And that's it, buddy. Yeah.
I hope Grandpa don't go put hands on that boy. He must don't know who he's dealing with.
Sir. Sweet. About right. Sounds about right. Oh.
All right, Grandpa, you enjoy your week.
Appreciate you, brother, man. You do the same. You do the same. We are blessed. Blessed. All right, let's see what we did here. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. I guess irony, 59 pounds. Extrusion, 7 pounds dirty. And then stainless steel, 15 pounds dirty. And whatever I had in weight, which I'm guessing close, I say close to a couple thousand pounds, maybe 1,700, I don't know. I didn't pay attention to the scale when I went in. All right, let's go see what we weighed and what did we pay. All right, so yeah, like I said, Paul helped me this morning. We worked about 45 minutes, but he had to get up, go down there, meet me and all that kind of good stuff. So I gave him $40 out of everything we got, and my total was $160.70, so I'm not going to complain about that. I got $135 in unprepared number 2 steel. Irony stainless says 15 pounds at $2.25. Irony aluminum, that was the aluminum hoods. Yeah, I got $20.65 for that. And aluminum light iron, I got 40 cents a pound for that. $2.80. So Grandpa is not complaining. Probably cost me about $20 in gas, so I guess I only made about $90 after paying Paul and everything. But you know what, it wasn't that hard, and I enjoyed every minute of it. So subscribing with Grandpa. What's next? What's next? What's next? Tune in to find out. You don't want to miss it. Check it out, guys. Pull up in a driveway. Done for the day, basically. I'm not done yet. Scrap God showed up, brought me another water tank and a bladder tank with a nice little piece of copper on it. Look at that. Look at that. Walk up into your yard, something like that. Grandpa is blessed. What's next?